Hello LinkedIn, and here we are again for yet another Fletchy Friday. I hope you've had a good week. It's been a bit of an interesting week for myself, and there is something I would like to share with you. An event which happened this week whereby a small team, including the infamous Mr. Cottle, were talking about integrated platforms. So Roger, this Fletchy Friday, as promised, is purely for you. So the scenario is this: imagine having all this integrated OT layer from device level all the way up to cloud MES style system. But the situation that evolved our discussion was taking all these ones and zeros and collating it from all these OT operational technology level and making it more meaningful. Not just to reside in an SQL database, but make more data-driven decisions. And actually, as an OEM, being able to differentiate yourselves for the future. Here's a couple of minutes. James, take it away, sir.
Thank you, Lee. So as an OEM, I know it's important to you to be able to integrate your machine at your end customer's site with ease. Whether that's with it communicating to other machines in that line, or back to a centralized PC MES-based system. So it should give you great comfort to know that our Simatic controllers come with protocols built in as standard. From field to cloud, we should have a communication protocol that meets any one of your possible requirements. Now, one of these protocols is becoming pretty special, and that's OPC UA. I'm sure you've heard of it, as it's becoming widely adopted within inside of our industry. And things like our Simatic controllers, HMIs, SCADAs, and even our new Siemens Industrial Edge platform support this particular protocol. It's quite easy to integrate, and it's got security built in. But another good feature of this protocol is it can support signal modeling, standardization of interfaces for sharing of data and communicating. And I'm sure you've seen some of these standards, or you've had a requirement for some of these standards being put upon you, like the OMAC ones, PACML and AutoML. So a great feature for you to be aware of is the fact that RS7 can support these standard connection methods within inside of the controller. And it requires no effort in you changing your software application to do so. We have a signal modeling tool that allows you to pull up the standard in one window and view your application code in the other. Simply map into your application code where the data is, and it will now be presented on OPC UA via the standard. Plus, you can configure multiple standards into one controller at the same time, or custom standards as well. So this is really fantastic. Using OPC UA and the signal monitor can be very efficient in being able to integrate your machines into your end customer sites without the need to change your software. And we haven't even got into yet how you could turn this data you're sharing into value and data-guided decisions. But we'll save that for another Fletchy Fridays. Thanks for watching today's. Hope to see you soon on another.